Hi y'all, welcome to Hot Mess Crafting. Today we're going to try a new craft together for the first time for me. So we're going to grab whatever colored paint you want. I got some in my little plastic lids here with some water. I watered down a little bit. In the glass bowl we got dish liquid and water. We're going to try bubble painting. I saw this and it looked so much fun. It looked relaxing. I'm not going to lie, it's messy. You're going to take a straw and you're going to blow some bubbles. And then we're going to take my little Pioneer Woman pie thing here. Put some bubbles on the paper. Yeah, you got to get them bubbles good. And then you'll take your paint, any color you want, and kind of drip it onto your bubbles. And then when they start popping, it really gives a cool effect. So like I said, I'm new to this. It's my first time trying it. It just looked like so much fun. It's family friendly. Kids can do this as long as they're at the appropriate age and understand to, blow the bubbles and not drink. So just be careful with that. Be mindful of that. But it is really neat. So I'm going to keep trying it and practicing and different techniques and see what I can create. But I thought you guys might like this. See, I'm just taking some paint and putting on the bubbles and they start popping. Yeah, I was having an absolute blast, and I wanted to share this with y'all since it was my first time trying it. See, I'm just picking up the bubbles and putting them on there, and then you could do so many different, paint colorations. You could make, a mermaid effect, you know what I mean? Like, do this and add some glitter to it, or some gems, and frame it. Isn't that cool looking? I was trying to get closer to it so y'all could see better. Now, you could do it this way, and I'm also going to show you the other way I saw, where you actually put the dish liquid into your paint and water dish liquid in your paint, mix it up, and you can do the bubble painting that way. Yeah, I had paint all over me, all over the table, but it's acrylic paint. It's, it washes off easily. I'm sure you could, I think the one girl actually used watercolor paints, but acrylic worked fine. It's just a lot of fun. I think this would be also fun in the summer because I saw another girl, she actually used bubbles, like kids would blow outside. She used that. So that's another option too. If you don't want to use your dishwashing liquid, you can also do that way. And then you just let it sit, let those bubbles pop on their own. But I also did try to take my straw and kind of blow around the bubbles, and that it didn't work as good as like letting it sit, but it did okay. I think it'd be fun for kids to do like that splatter looking effect. So here's where I'm going to show you how you. Oh, wait, no, this ain't the one. Never mind. Hold on just a second. I think this is where I just kept playing and playing. I was having so much fun, y'all. It's kind of nice when you get to just switch things up, Do something different. Oh, I was hoping y'all would get to see how it was popping and what it looked like when it was doing it. Oh, yeah, there we go. See how I was blowing on it? I wanted to see what it would do. That's what I was doing. I forgot it. I think this might be addicting. This could be a problem. Oh, look how cool that looks. But see, as I'm blowing with a straw, it actually works kind of neat. It's not the best effect though. If you want those little tiny, like circles and bubble looks, then don't do that. Just let them pop on their own. Let it dry. But I'm going to give you a really good look in the end on what it looks like once all the bubbles are popped and it dries up. So here we go. So, water, paint, dishwashing liquid. Now, when you blow those bubbles and they come up clear, that means you need to add more paint to it. See, my bubbles weren't doing too well, so I had to add more water and then stir it real good. Now, when you blow your bubbles up, they should be colored, okay? If they look clear, then you need to add more paint. I hope that makes sense. See how those look red at the top? That's what we need. Yeah, that one didn't come out too good. That circle did not want to play nicely. So you add a little bit more water, give it a stir, and then look at all them bubbles. Booyah! Now here you go. I'm showing you a little bit. See how it made those I don't know, what is it, like watermarks? I don't know the word. I'm not a painter. But I think it's neat. If you don't mind getting messy, try this out. Here we go. See, there's a close-up. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. It's so much fun. It's messy. Just have some fun and experiment and enjoy the process. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye, y'all.